All you little fake rappers talking about you got this game locked. Half the rhymes I heard from you, shit, I heard from Pocket. You's a gangster, right? You live a thug life. Your cats ain't even close to being thug life. You think you gon' blow up fast? That's like saying Bill Gates ain't got no cash. Dr. Seuss got more flow than you, and you off as a mother. I'm just telling you the truth. If you can't ride a beat, then don't rap it off. Half you motherfuckers stink like dirty drawers. You literally suck, so open your jaws. If you wanna taste greatness, lick my balls. I'm a beast when it comes to beats. If you want a free one, then suck on these with the verse. I'll hit him where it hurts, call me the dream crusher. I'll give it to you the worst. Go ahead, homie, criticize this. You just like them bitch that like to suck dick. Deny that you like it, but you love it when you do it. Like you hating on me, but on the low you on my music. Get used to the name and the voice. You will always hear about me, you have no choice. As you can tell, I ain't even trying. Took less than a year to get in this position. You only ill when you rap sick. Just because your ass stank don't make you the shit. Only sweet bar you had was a candy bar. So stop this rapping, you won't make it far. As for punchlines, just listen to the rap. I spit more punches than they throw in the boxing match. I'm an addict, not looking for help. I'ma do this rap shit till it ruins my health. Yeah, that's what I said, till it ruins my health.